Kansas, like a lot of rural states, does not have a lot of local philanthropy existing in communities. And we thought, wouldn't it make a lot of sense if we developed a program to build philanthropy in Kansas? So we developed a program called Giving Resources to Our World, or GROW, to build an infrastructure for giving back to the community so that we could build on that local philanthropy in the future to improve health in our state. One thing we know is that people in rural communities care deeply about their hometowns. And we knew if we built an infrastructure for people to give back to their communities, they would.
Well, first of all, let's talk about how GROW has made a difference in the Community Foundation in Dodge City. We're the community foundation for all of Southwest Kansas. When we initially signed up with GROW, we were slightly over $4 million community foundation. As a result of GROW, they hired their first full-time executive director. Kansas Health Foundation not only challenged us to raise money, they taught us how to raise money. They taught us donor relations. They basically taught us to grow almost 10 times the size in assets that we were prior to the GROW program. We've been able to do a lot with the GROW program, and one of the significant things we've done is make a grant to the city to put outdoor exercise equipment along the walking trail. If you'd see the walking trail in the summertime, you'd notice how well it's used, and there's no economic or social barriers as far as using the walking trail or the exercise equipment. So this program has allowed us to make larger grants. Larger grants means more impact. That means a bigger change. We're able to do things that we might not have been able to do if it hadn't been for the GROW program.
GROW has changed our vision and understanding of what a community foundation can do over the long term, and it was really the matching funds that Kansas Health Foundation provided to us in the form of incentive for building those unrestricted funds that helped us talk to donors that way and how those unrestricted dollars are going to make such a difference. And one way we've done that recently is to be able to help make a downtown housing development happen because we've had the unrestricted assets necessary to make a loan into that development. And that's money we wouldn't have had before. We learned how to use it as an investment rather than a grant. And now we have a downtown housing development that's sustainably built, walkable, pocket community. All the things that this town was looking for and needs in housing, we were able to make happen because we filled a gap and were able to make that last little bit of investment possible for them. And that really all comes back to GROW.
It's incredible to look back at the 20 years of GROW. I don't think any of us ever thought we would be working with so many community foundations in the state of Kansas through this program. To be developing community foundations in that many communities spread all over the state of Kansas, helping them develop the leadership to grow their communities, to bring gifts back into the communities, give out to the communities for so many varieties of programs. GROW has made the state of Kansas a better, a healthier, a more prosperous state. And I can only imagine what's going to happen in the future.